Xianyun, one of the mighty and illuminated adepti of Xianyun, has turned her heart towards mortal affairs. As a master of mechanical contraptions, she excels at anemo reactions and team synergy. As one of the mighty and illuminated adepti of Xianyun, Xianyun's expertise lies in mechanical contraptions, and her heart now turns towards mortal affairs. Her journey in Liyue has just begun. Xianyun excels at anemo reactions and team synergy, utilizing her talents to control crowds and amplify damage. Her anemo abilities make her a valuable asset to any team. Focus on building her anemo damage and team support with characters like Veni or Sucrose. Learn how to create powerful team comps with Xianyun. Did you know Xianyun's Constellation 2, aloof from the world, enhances her survivability by increasing her HP? Learn more about her constellations and builds to optimize her performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Genshin Impact content. Check out our channel for more guides and tutorials.